Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me XP Pen Deco Mini 4, and now I'm gonna show you how to disable and how to enable this device. So it's very easy to do. We have now the power buttons here. We have no batteries here. We have no batteries in the tablet and even in the pencil, in the stylus. So if you want to enable or if you want to disable it, you just need to power on. You need to disconnect from the power cable or connect to the power cable. For example, let's show you. For example, now my stylus is wait a while. Now my stylus is connected, and now I can use it. But when I will disconnect it, as you can see, stylus and tablet is not working. Okay, it's not here. Maybe it will be here. Okay, working. It's not working. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.